Hi boys and girls, today we are going to be talking about adding double-digit numbers, and in these numbers we are going to be regrouping. So I wanted to show you this problem. So we're going to be working with 98 plus 23 equals, we don't know what it equals. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a picture to show this. So I'm gonna draw my ones and my tens and my hundreds. So over here is my ones column, here's my tens, and here's my hundreds. So if I look at my first number, I have 8 ones. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's in my first number. Then what do I have? How many tens? 9 tens. So I'm just going to draw my 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if you noticed, I'm just making them in rows of 5 because that's easier for me, because then I can see when I have a group of 10, I know to regroup. So as you'll see when I'm adding my next number, which is 23, I'll easily fill up a row of 10 and I'll know to regroup it. So in my next number, 23, how many ones do I have? 3. So I'm going to add those there. I'm going to make them squares. 1, 2, 3. And then how many tens do I have? 2. So I'm going to add my 2s. Let's see. 1, 2. So as you can see over here, I have one group of 10, so I'm going to circle it. And I'm just going to draw a line over here and add it over here as one of my ones. As one of my tens, sorry, because I have 10 ones and that equals 1 10. So now I can cross this out, and I showed it over here as a 10. And then over here I have another group of 10, so I'm going to circle this, and 10 tens is 1 100, so I'm going to make 100. And I can cross this out because I represented these 10 tens as 100. So now I'm going to add my answer. So I have 100. I have 2 tens left over because all of these were regrouped as a 100. So I have 2 tens left over. And let's see, I have 1 1 left over because these were regrouped as a 10. So now I'm going to show you another way of doing it, and we're kind of going to double check my answer. So for this problem, I got 121, and we're going to check and see if I did it correctly. So let's go over here, and let's do it a different way. So now I'm just going to add by using my columns. So 8 plus 3. What is 8 plus 3? 11, right? So I put my 1 down here, and since I have a 10, I'm just going to add it up to the top. Okay. So then I have 9 plus 2. What's 9 plus 2? 11, and then I can't forget my 1 that I had to regroup over here. So what's 11 plus 2? 11 plus 1, sorry. It's 12. So then I'm going to bring down my 2 because that's in the ones place, and then I'm going to just have my 1 over here, but I'm just going to bring it down because I don't have any hundreds. So I got 121 here as well. So I just double checked my work, and I got the same thing for both problems. So odds are that I was right since I double checked it and I got it right. Okay, so either of these ways are good ways to do it, and if you have problems doing it this way, because this way is harder, you can't see the numbers, please do it by drawing it out. It doesn't take that long to draw it out. I just did it with you, and it shows me exactly what I'm doing, so it isn't a good way to do it. So if you aren't ready to do it like this yet, please draw it out. Thank you.